Right, peering in there and oiling the reverse block, there was nothing to see on the camera, but it's time to put our hand wheel clutch back on. So I've got the washer with the tabs facing out, and I just picked a spot, and I'm gonna put our nut on, and when it gets snug, we'll put our set screw in, and it turns a little bit. And turning the hand wheel, it does release, it's not running the machine at all, and then we've got plenty of room to tighten it up. So I think that's a good spot for it. And then the end cover, that pin slides in this hole here, and I'm gonna just tighten that screw up enough so it feels a little snug on the cover here, and then we need to put the bottom on. Put this center screw in the bottom loosely, because remember there's the two end screws that need to go in. The one that was in the end cover I thought was the silver one, but clearly that's not correct, because it's not reaching and gripping anything. Wait, yeah, it is. Just barely. So yeah, the silver one looks nice on the outside and is visible, so. And then that got snugged up. And I'm going to get the one that goes on the other end in place. And that's black one with a washer, just like the one in the bottom here. And then once the ends are in place, I can tighten the center one. There. Okay. Then, aside from being more compact, this machine is just the same as any of its siblings. The hook goes back in place and gets the race cover snapped on, and the needle plate can go on. And the cover snaps in place, and it'll be ready to do some testing. I did remove this cover strip, and this is just very carefully bent until the pins pop out of the holes. So don't try to remove it if it's cold or anything, because that'll make the plastic more brittle. And we'll be able to thread and test this up.